Look no further than the 2018 Rolls-Royce Phantom. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 10,000 miles on the odometer. Prepare to take your driving pleasure to new heights and enjoy the best of modern efficiency and style. You'll love the advanced safety features, quiet cabin, and responsive handling this vehicle has to offer. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: lane departure warning, navigation system, keyless entry, fog lamps, satellite radio, power passenger seat, active suspension, backup camera, adaptive cruise control, wood grain interior trim. Don't miss the opportunity to enhance your driving pleasure while you take advantage of the latest advances in efficiency. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience.